Alright, so I removed the fog lights from my car. Now I'm going to just go ahead and take these bulbs out just so there's less clutter while I'm working on it. First thing you want to do is prep it. So you're going to go ahead and clean it as well as you can. You can use a degreaser, use a cloth. I'm using a microfiber cloth, and I'm also using this glass cleaner. Rub on there nice and tough. Make sure you get all the debris out. If there's any grease on there, whatever's on there. Really rub in there. Alright, next I got this piece of Lamin-X. So this yellow film, what I'm trying to do is get it as close to the size of the fog light as possible, just so there's not too much excess left to work with. If there is, you can just cut it off. I grabbed this mug that looked relatively similar in size as the fog light, just to use as a cutout, just to kind of get me a little closer, again, to have less excess to work with. Highly recommend doing this step. That way you're not going to have a huge mess of extra film that you have to try to cut out and potentially scratch the hub of the fog lights. Alright, so when you apply this, you want to make sure that you get it dead center first, and then from the center you're going to push in and then push up and out. This is going to make it so that you'll have the least amount of air bubbles inside there, if any. As you do that, you're going to want to wrap it around the edges. You want to press hard to try to get that sticky yellow film to kind of buckle down around the edges. That way there's less of it that's, loose. Next up, we're going to go ahead and heat shrink it. So I'm just using this lighter. You're just going to get it hot enough to where you see that Lamin-X or that yellow film starting to melt a little bit. You don't want it to get that black smoked look on there. Get it a little bit melted and then go ahead and press it down. And when it cools down, it'll go ahead and harden and create a kind of like a vacuum seal on there. That way no moisture can get in there and it's very secure. A little bit of a tedious process. Make sure you go all the way around and do it to both of them. Next up, like I said, you want to apply directly to the center. Then you're going to push from the center out. Alright, here we're going to heat shrink it again, just going over every single piece around the edges. Make sure that we create a nice vacuum seal on that, nothing can get in, and it'll stick on there and stay there a lot longer. Alright. Got them all done with the heat shrink. Final product looks pretty clean. Film is heat shrinked, nice around the edges. So you'll see that there's an electrical connection in there. It only goes one way with the electrical adapter facing downward, and then there's two screws that go diagonal from each other. It's only one way that it fits on there. And then after that, the only thing left is at least for my car, it's a circular oval kind of plastic piece that you can literally just pull off the car. It's got clips on there you can pull on and off. Lights look pretty clear that they're yellow. It's a white bulb, the OEM bulb from the original fog lights, and the yellow film. So here you go. Looks nice and yellow, nice clean job, and we're all done. Let me know if this works for you guys.